a level built in. We're gonna measure the top of the mount to the top of the TV. And the TV is about 44 inches. What's up guys, this is Tampatec. I'll show you an inexpensive way to install your 50-inch TV on a full motion TV wall mount. And this is an outside concrete block home. So we're gonna later on get a TV cover so it doesn't get affected by the rainstorms. And we're also gonna get wire covers later on down the road. So let's go ahead and get started. So the wall mount comes with these lags right here. It's really meant for wood. It does have the plastic drywall anchors, and it does have Allen key to tightening all the the brackets, the joints. So we're gonna go ahead and use Tampatec masonry screws because this is a concrete block home. So we're gonna be using those instead. So that is sold separately, and these is what it looks like. These, they're like little blue looking screws. And if you buy the kit, it comes with the masonry drill bit. Sometimes comes with the socket, 5/16. So it comes with the washers, metal washers, spacers if you need them, when you mount the bracket on the back of the TV. And it also comes with different size screws. I'll simulate it. Put those two on top. All right, so I have the brackets right here lined up with the back screw holes of the back of the TV. As you can see, I lined up. You don't want the brackets too low because you don't want to see the brackets. So I raised them up a little bit so they're not overlapping past the TV. They're hidden behind the TV. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes down. Looks like the kit does come with the right screws and metal washers, which is good. Install these. So I have my drill set to 5 on torque so I don't strip out any screws or damage the TV. There we go. So that feels pretty solid. And these are, make sure they're tight. And later on down the road, if you want to lock it into place, if it's outside TV, I suggest screwing these up and it bites into the mount. Here's the mount right here. There's arrows. And what's cool about this mount is it has a level built in. You can see that. See that level right there? And also dummy proof, as you can see right here, there's an arrow facing up, letting you know this is the way it should mount. And if during a storm you want to screw it in right here to lock it in, make sure it doesn't swing out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna find out the measurements. So we're gonna have it like right here. We're gonna measure the top of the mount to the top of the TV. So that is about 12 inches. And the TV is about 44 inches. Height of the TV is about 25. So this is the setup we're using right here. This is the TV mount, full motion TV wall mount, the Vizio Smart TV. He wants it about like 6 foot, 6'5". We're gonna put it right about here. It's 6'5". It's between 6 foot, 6'5" is about average. So right here, we're gonna mark it. It's about 6'5" right there. And so 12 inches down from that is the top of the bracket. Top of the TV is right there. And then the top of the mount is 12 inches like I showed you. I measured that already on the back of the TV. This wall is 45 inches. And the TV is 44 inches and a half. So that's perfect. You go push it flush against the wall, or if you want, you can swing it out and angle it. So it gives you both options. But you can also mount the TV on this wall and this wall, but then you're kind of stuck just having it in this angle, catty corner, right? And so it would look like this. And then you can swing it out, see? And then you go tilt it, you could tilt it down, but you want the TV as far away as possible from, when the rain's coming down. So he has this TV on the back wall, which is the furthest away possible from that open area. So he'd be able to see TV from the pool area, no problem. Get a marking. Here's the top of the mount right here, and mark it there, and then mark it down here as well, and then mark it down here as well. Get another. Now I'm gonna drill. Now I'm gonna put my drill in hammer mode. Let's go ahead and do the bottom ones first. Right. Next. All right. Now we can remove this. Make sure it's hot, so be careful. And then now we're gonna get the socket. And then just hold it like right there. Okay, so now we're just gonna put the Tampatec screws, just like that. You should really put water sealant in there. Bottom, then bottom. There we go. And so now let's go put it on low torque right here. And you can tighten it down on 7, I think. This one needs a little sealing. All right, so I got to get that up a little bit.
A dab or?
Yeah, it's just a little bit, just so it gets in there. So now we're gonna go ahead and mount the TV. I'm gonna pull it out right here. Okay, let's go ahead and mount it up. Lift it up. And then let's go ahead and yep, it's on there. Looks good. And then hold on, let me screw it in. We're gonna lock it in. So you can slide it left and right, which is kind of cool. And you can still level it while it's on the mount. And now you have to get a wire cover later on. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Double check, make sure everything's leveled right. Yeah, take that off. Yeah, the bubble is slightly, move it slightly up a little bit. It's between the lines. Yeah, so here's the level right here. So right there, looks good. So you could still screw it in tighter in the back, but I gave you that ability so you could slide it left and right. Mm-hmm. But there is screws that you could screw up and bite it in. Once you're happy with the way it is, you could just keep on screwing it in and it'll bite into the mount. But it'll basically like that. See, now you're able to slide it back and forth. So now you can have it like that, right? That's good. And then if you want to swing it out,
nice. You
can have it like that, which is pretty sweet. If you want it tilted, use the Allen key. There is an Allen key right here. And right here, you can, if you want to tilt it, you have to adjust this one right here. And then this one right here. So these will, you're able to tighten it, to lock it in, and then loosening it, make it loose, it'll tilt it forward. These two right here. And then if it's a storm, you want to lock these up, make sure they're tight. There we go, it's level.